Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. We are continuing the topic air conditioner is cooling weakly. In this lesson, we will talk about the consequences of short piping. Sometimes the distance between indoor and outdoor unit is very short, and technicians use only 1 to 1.5 meters of pipe. Does this affect cooling? Every manufacturer specifies a minimal pipe length in the service manual. The factory usually charges the refrigerant calculated for a standard 5-meter pipe length. For 9,000 and 12,000 BTU units, the minimal length is usually 3 meters. For 24,000 BTU and larger units, this can be 5 meters or even 7.5 meters or more. If a technician uses only 1 meter instead of 5 meters, an overcharge of gas will occur in the system. A 4-meter difference means approximately 100 grams of extra refrigerant is circulating. This extra refrigerant causes the suction pressure to rise and the boiling temperature will exceed the optimal plus 5 degrees Celsius. This reduces cooling efficiency. Excess refrigerant also leads to compressor overheating and higher condensation temperatures. A 1 Kelvin rise in condensation reduces cooling capacity by 1%. The most dangerous part is liquid slugging, liquid refrigerant entering the compressor. This is especially common in units with capillary tubes and can destroy the compressor valves. Additionally, short piping allows the vibration of the outdoor unit to be transmitted directly to the indoor unit. To solve this, manufacturers suggest either discharge the excess gas using a scale or coiling the pipe into a vibration loop behind the outdoor unit. Now for the calculation. How do we charge a system with 2-meter piping if the factory label says 1.8 kilograms for 5 meters? Difference: 5 meters minus 2 meters equals 3 meters. 3 meters times 25 grams equals 75 grams must be subtracted. Correct charge? If you are retrofitting R22 with R427A, you must also consider the 5% density difference. For example, for 1.8 kilograms, that is an additional 90 grams to subtract. Final amount for R427A. Remember, blended gases like R427A must always be charged into the liquid phase. Tank upside down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching us until the end.